Welcome! If you've ever found yourself spending way more time on Snapchat than you planned, you're definitely not alone. The good news is you can easily set a timer to manage your usage and stay in control of your screen time. Let's walk through exactly how to do it. First, grab your phone and open your settings. This is where all your device controls live, including app limits and usage tracking. Once you're inside settings, scroll down until you find the section labeled Apps or sometimes App Management, depending on your device. Next, tap on that section and look through your installed apps until you find Snapchat. Go ahead and tap on it. This will open up all the details and options related to the Snapchat app. Now, look for the option called Screen Time. On some devices, it might also appear as Digital Wellbeing or something similar, but the idea is the same. It tracks how much time you spend in the app. Once you're in Screen Time, tap on App Time. This is where you can actually set a daily usage limit. Choose the amount of time you want to allow yourself on Snapchat each day.